Alright guys, and welcome back to this particular video. On this video I'm going to be talking about BYTrading, guys. So guys, BYTrading is a prediction platform that allows you to predict and earn. Okay, so basically here on this platform, every single thing right here is very simple. I'm going to be walking you right through it, and I'm going to be showing you all you need to know, all you need to do, how you can be able to practice with their demo account. You are going to be given a demo account when you create an account. That demo account actually offers you 20,000 USDT that you can use to actually practice how to trade. 20,000 is not a real money. It's just like a fake money that you can use to practice every single thing about the platform before you go ahead to decide whether you want to use real money to engage on the platform and earn. You basically only predict and earn. That is just it. And also I'm also going to be introducing you to a signal group. With the signal group, you get signal every single time, and if you follow the signal correctly, there are high chances that you are going to keep on earning, provided that you apply it correctly. Every single thing is going to be shown to you right here on this particular video. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive in. I'm going to be showing you every single thing you need to know about this platform, how you can create your own account, of course how you can be able to trade successfully following the signal group. Okay, so once you click the link on the description section, you'll be brought to this page. You can sign up using your email address. So to sign up, you input your email address at this side right here, and then a verification code will be sent to you that you will fix at this side. And once you do that, all you have to do is create a password and confirm the password. Then you click on register. Just like that, you have successfully created your account with this platform. Brought to the home page where you can access various features. As you can see, we have BTC28 and then we have the game start. But I'm going to be focusing mostly on this BTC28 feature. Of course, scrolling down, you can see we still have various informations. But this right here is the web page labeled as mine, so you can your various information. Currently, as you can see, I have nothing in my account because I want to practice my demo account before knowing whether to engage with real money or not. This is a total demo account that you can practice with. Now over here right now, coming back over to the home button, let me basically introduce some of the important features right here on this platform. Over here right now, you can see that we have the invite right here. Basically, as it sounds, at the invite, you get to invite your friends to easily earn money, and you should take note that each level of invite receive different level of commissions. We have up to 3 levels right here basically. Right now let's go back and show you some of the important stuff that you actually need to know. I also want to mention one additional feature available on the platform. After registering an account, users automatically receive 20,000 demo points. These points can be used for simulated trading and practicing how the platform works without using real funds. According to the platforms, users can accumulate points through demo trading and work toward different reward tiers. That means you can earn points by trading in your demo account. You can earn massive rewards by trading in your demo account. Depending on the number of points accumulated, rewards may include TRX rewards, which are rewards you can withdraw, USDT rewards that you can withdraw, or even higher tier rewards such as an iPhone or other prizes offered by the platform. For example, reaching 30,000 points may qualify a user for a 5 TRX reward, while higher point targets unlock different reward levels. The platform states that each user can claim one reward tier meeting the required conditions. Okay, so coming over here to news, this is where you actually get to see the latest commission on news regarding this platform and any other thing. So to get started properly on making prediction and earning from this platform, like I said, we are going to be starting with demo account. You can also access this BTC28 trading section from over here at this bottom side where you have this side right here. You can access the BTC28 trading section, but I'll still be using this side to access it, this BTC28. So if I click on it right here, I've been brought to this trading page. Over here right now, what you have to do is very, very easy. You basically predict correctly, but what you need to do right here is very, very easy. But first thing you need to take note of is whether you are on simulation account or real account. Currently I'm on real account. That is why it is displaying 0.0 USDT as my current balance. I have nothing right here, so I'm going to be switching right now to my simulation account so that I can practice very well before deciding whether I want to engage with using real money or not. What you have to do is click over here on simulation. Once you click on simulation, it will load up immediately and it will give you a current balance of 20,000 USDT, as you can see right here, that you can use to practice. This is totally for practicing. It is not real money, okay? You can only use this to practice. In ahead right now, you can see we have a lot of stuff right here, okay? So over here right now, let me take you to the channel group where we actually get signal. So this is the channel right here. As you can see, BYTrading high accuracy signals. So over here, you actually get signals on 2 rounds. Each round gives about 5 profitable signals that allows you to trade. So over here, this is the signals right here. As you can see, let me quickly teach you how you can be able to use this signal to make trade. All right. So one other thing that you need to take note of right here is, of course, the timer right here. You can see this timer right here. Now let me take you to 5-minute charts. All you have to do is click over here on 5 minutes, then you'll be brought to the 5 minutes trading chart. For doing that is because of basically for this signal group, they operate on 5 minutes trading charts. The signals drop in the group are mainly for the 5 minutes trading charts. Over here, as you can see, these are the results given. Of course, there are going to be time when we win and there are going to be time when we lose. Over here right now, you can see how it works right here, provided that you are on the right time frame. Let me show you how you can be able to use the signal. Over here right now, you can see that we have these results telling us that we'll win if we are to trade odd, and they recommended a quantity of 1x. Show you how to do this right now. So before this countdown gets to 10 seconds, you need to make sure you you have chosen what you want to trade given by that signal group. You have been recommended to trade odd in the signal group. That was the signal dropped. I will select odd right here. And for you to choose the amount you want to use and trade, it is recommended for you to use the calculator, because of the calculator helps you to know the amount you want to use and trade. Alright, so right now I'm taking you to the calculator. You can access it by coming over to this side. After clicking on that, you're brought to this side where you can see what the calculator does, which is that it gives you full breakdown in 8 times, meaning that it will kind of break down the amount you want to trade with period of 2x, and of course the capital you want to use, which is $1,000, as you can see right here. It will give me a full breakdown. How this works is that if I happen to lose this first one, and if I now trade the second phase, and if I win it, I'll be able to recover every single thing I may have lost in the first phase and more profit. Also, if you should lose the first phase, you lose the second phase, then you go with the quantity given to you by the third phase. You'll be able to make the amount you lost in the first phase, the second phase, and a little bit of profit at this third side. If you are to use the trade amount given to you at this side. So that's the importance of this calculator. Now right now, let me take you back right now. Going back, let me actually show you how you can be able to take a trade accurately. Remember, take note that this countdown, because of when the countdown gets to around 10, you won't be able to place trade any longer. So before this countdown gets down to 10, let's go ahead and place a trade. So guys, assuming that this signal given to us earlier is correct, I said they drop signal 2 times daily. Assuming that we are going to take this signal, they said over here that we should trade odd. Simply come over here and I'll trade odd, fixing a quantity of 1x, which is odd 1x right here. Make sure that it is on 5 minutes time frame, and put amount you want to trade with. From the calculator earlier, it was giving me an amount of 0.984 for the first round, so I'll fix that into here right now. Then I'll click on trade, and then I'll click on confirm. As you can see, purchase successful. Now if by the end of the day we are correct with our prediction, we are going to be resulting in a win. So as you can see, our balance has also dropped. So let's just wait for this countdown. Let's see what we are going to have right now. So it's very simple, as you just saw it, just as simple as this, guys. So right now, let's just allow the countdown to get to 0. So basically what you do right here on this platform is that you predict, and that is how you basically trade on BYTrading. If your prediction is correct, then you get to win some extra cash, but if your prediction is wrong, you get to lose. That's how it is. Okay, but if you are interested in this kind of stuff, I will recommend that to kind of stick with the signal group to be on consistent profits. If you stick with the signal group already, I'll be dropping the link to the signal group in the comment section or in the description section. So over here, as you can see, it gives 5 signals on each round, the first round and the second round, and each round gives 5 signals. I told you they will be dropping the rounds twice daily, and each round gives 5 signal. Okay, I want you guys to take note that I took this trade roughly and I didn't do much research about it, and of course the signal that I took right here is a signal that I've already passed, not current signal. I'm just showing you example how you can be able to apply the signal to your charts. All right, so right now I think we are getting down to the end of the countdown. Let's just wait. Okay, so I'm going to be stopping the video on after taking this trade. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make withdrawals from this particular website platform that actually gives you opportunity to predict and trade. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make withdrawal. That's going to be on another video. And before I end this video, I'll also show you how you can basically top up and fund your account with money. So currently basically guys, the countdown has finished, and as you can see, we resulted in a small even, which resulted in a loss. As I said earlier, it was a rough sketch, it was a rough signal I used just to make an example, so that's probably why this particular trade resulted in a loss for me. I'm going to be stopping right here now guys. On the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can basically draw from your account. So but let me show you how to top up and recharge your amount on your account so that you can start trading on real account, because you can only be able to make withdrawal on real account, not on simulation account. Simply come over here to top up. You basically select the amount you want to top up, then you enter the recharge amount you want to top up, and then you click on top up right here, and then from there you pin a wallet address, and then you send to the address that is going to be given. Then from there, that's how you get your account funded. Then you'll be seeing the recharge amount you did right here.
Withdrawing from this platform is a quantity of $1 right here. They'll be charging me $1 to withdraw my funds from this platform. So just like that, my withdrawal application has been submitted successfully and is waiting to be processed. Just give this a few minutes to get done. Guys, as you can see, this is my wallet app, and a quantity of $14 has successfully been deposited into my wallet app. I withdraw the total of $15, and then I was charged a total of $1 as a fee to withdraw my funds, and then I was deposited $14. So just like that guys, that's how simple it is and easy to withdraw your funds from this platform. I hope you guys can see that.
So basically, do your research before deciding whether you want to go into this type of thing. You know, this type of thing is crypto related and it can be very risky. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing I say or do in this video should be taken as financial advice. So you do your own research properly, jump into any of this. So it's very, very easy, as I've just said. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep me motivated to make more videos. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video guys, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.